Merry, Merry Christmas from the Boho Bus. Yay! It's Christmas today. So, I thought, it's been a minute since we did a video. That's a boot. Let me just get that out. And, people wonder, how do you do Christmas in a tiny house or a schoolie? Like, do you buy a big tree? You buy a little tree. We went with a little one. I've seen some people who've done big ones. And how many presents do you buy for the kids? Whoever said you can't have a scooter in a tiny house or in a schoolie? We have 3 kids. You got to think about what can you fit, what can you not. So this is our Christmas. So enjoy. Woo! This is our Christmas. In our schoolie. We spent all Christmas Eve night and Christmas morning at Logan's mom's.
Hi, baby. What is it?
Ooh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
I am currently located by a pretty cool trailer right there. See that 5th wheel? Boop. I've got all the presents packed up, ready to go. Looks like Santa Claus came to our house. And I'm pretty excited to show you some things that we're doing in our boys' room to better enhance their privacy. I don't know, it's just gonna feel like their own little space. I'm really excited to show you what we're gonna do. Stay tuned. And this is me bringing in stuff I got for us for Christmas. And that be about it. That's our Christmas in a nutshell. All I have left is a couple of bags that I packed. Now I gotta take it all and put it where it goes. And it's gonna be beautiful. I wish you guys could have seen how I just hoisted myself up into the bus. It was pretty funny. But I did it! Look at Christmas exploded in my bedroom. Everywhere. Oh my goodness, we are so blessed. And I am so grateful. You know, this video, I gotta say, is a little bit about organization. So, welcome back. If you're new here, we are organizing our tiny home conversion. It's Christmas. I'm putting stuff away. I love our house. I know it's not finished. I know we're living in it and we're doing this, but I really love our house. Huh, Mew. And we got pretty new bedding for Christmas. That's gonna be hers. Oh, look how cute. It matches. Oh, I love it. And then we got Ravenclaw right here. You can't see it because it's in the bag, but it's pretty awesome. So we're gonna replace that here, and then it will match Ravenclaw colors. And then you'll just have to see what else. What else is she doing? Chair. Not fitting. I should have put it together inside of the cubby. Ah! Gonna have to go another way. The things we go through as a mother, I'll tell you what, the only reason I put that chair together before I got to the bus today was for my son for Christmas, because he wanted to see it all put together, and here we are. Now I'm having trouble. I've measured the hallway and I've measured that. It should fit. We will see. We will hope and pray, because I love this thing. So let's see. We are so lucky. Like, I just gotta say, we're just lucky. We got it in. Oh my gosh, I love it so freaking much. I want one for up front for myself. It's gonna be awesome. I never knew how much a game changer a chair was. Like, you don't think about these things, but I just added extra seating in my bus. Now we're going to my grandma's. And now we're at my grandma's house. Merry Christmas, Grandma.
Hey, so.
Merry Christmas!
Yes, dear.
It's so hard to stay still, huh?
Oh, what?
Back up, back up, back up, back up. This is our nighttime routine. We got 3 heat sources going on right now. 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go, 3. Good morning.
No, do over. You said so.
Somebody is happy today.
Interference.
Why are you happy, Wyatt?
Because we got my Xbox hooked up, because I got an Xbox. A new Xbox and a new TV in my room for Christmas. Oh, and a chair. This is my chair. There.
Knock, knock, knock.
Come in. This is my chair. My setup right here.
It's very good.
Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is my room now. Is that okay? This is my chair. This is my office. When you move out of the house, I'm making this my office. Okay? Is that okay? It's pretty comfy in here. I think I could, technically, with how far back this scoots, you could have like a desk right here, whoop, and still, or that be your computer screen. Doot, doot, doot. The space in here is unbelievable.
It's the same in his room. He needs more space because he's the thing like small from like here.
It's pretty cool. What do you think?
Thumbs up.
And that concludes our Christmas special. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay, here I go.
Loading.
Woo!
That was.
I'm sure everybody can do it in whether it's one present or a million. No, I'm not using that. It's crazy. Yeah, that ice is kind of crazy. Good morning. I woke up this morning. It's a fine, fine day. And look what I see all over my windows. I believe it reached temperatures of 7 degrees. We are frozen. Luckily, we don't put anything up against this. So really, it's not a big deal because we already knew this was going to happen in Idaho. If our bed was up against this, this would be a huge deal. And I'm so glad it's not. That's all I gotta say. Because all this right here does not touch anything. And the windows we do have, they have screens on them, so nothing's frozen on the screen. While I was thinking about it, I just wanted to say, from our family to those who have helped us along the way, like these guys, Merry Christmas, Travis and your family and your dad. Thank you so much for everything you do for us. I really appreciate it. More than words can ever express. Ever.